Hello again, geometry students. I wanted to do a video giving you a walkthrough of our classroom playlist, just explaining some key points to make sure that we're all on the same page and you know what you need to be doing. So first thing I want to highlight here, you should be able to see our Geometry A playlist on your screen right now. My office hours are from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this is the time where I will be expressly sitting in front of my computer, answering emails, and you will get a very quick response from me. If you would prefer to chat or video chat, you can use the Google Meets link that is over here. You just want to click that. It's going to take you to a Google Meet, so a video chat or a voice chat, because you can turn off your video if you would like. For now, until we see how this goes, shoot me an email if you want to use the Google Meets, and I will hop on in and help you with whatever you need help with. So the next thing I just want to highlight again, we have two special Google Meet dates here these are for technical questions. So this isn't for geometry questions. This is for how do I use this? How do I click that? How does this program work? Things like that. So what are we going to be doing for class? So each day is going to follow this general pattern that we can see. I will introduce you to what we are doing for the day. You will have a couple of videos to watch. These will be videos hosted on YouTube, on Khan Academy, or some other education-based website. For the first day, these are videos that I made for you. I have not done these before, so please excuse the poor editing quality. They will get better as we go on. So you want to watch these videos, simply click on the image and it will take you to the video or YouTube. When you're done, you're going to have an assignment for the day. These are going to be hosted mostly on Canvas. Occasionally, these might be from Khan Academy or thatquiz.org, but all you're going to have to do is click the link, and it's going to hop right on over to whatever you have to complete. So this one is a Canvas quiz, just to check your understanding. Read the instructions because we're going to be typing math language into computers. There's some details that we need to pay attention to. Go ahead and do this quiz. Yours is going to look different because you're actually doing the quiz. Go ahead and do this. When you get done, submit, and I'll take a look at it for you. If you have questions about one of the quiz questions, that's the time to hop into my office hours and ask me. We will often have enrichment activities, so these will be things from your extra credit assignment most of the time for you to get some additional practice or some additional videos, help, tips, things like that. So keep an eye out for those. And as you can see, most of our days are going to be following the same sort of pattern. An introduction, a video, couple assignments. I kept them short, especially for this first week, and then an optional assignment that you should be doing. So if you have questions, please hop into office hours, email me, whatever you need to do to get in contact with me, and I will help you out. Look forward to seeing some of you guys maybe in office hours today, and I hope that you're ready to get going. Bye.